Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A11 Plus tablet. Open box, look completion. In completion we have only device and Type-C cable, Type-C to Type-C, that's all. Okay, talk about device. We have 11-inch display. On this side power button, and wall buttons. Speakers on this side, Type-C. Second speakers. Okay. Turn on device. We have One UI 8 and Android 16. One UI 8, Android 16. Okay, works good, smooth. Display. We have AMOLED, TFT display. We have Full HD Plus resolution 90 Hz. Open Geekbench 6. We have CPU test results, GPU test results, and Antutu benchmark results. Open PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Start game. Graphic level, max graphic level we have, ultra frame rate, very good, game works perfect. Okay, camera we have video recording Full HD or HD, and photography we have 4x max zoom. Okay, simple camera, that's all, thank you for watching this video, bye bye.